Hello guys, I am S3D and today I'm doing an unboxing on the Tamashii Nation 2018 exclusive. I think this is like a show exclusive or something. I don't think this technically isn't a premium Bandai, it's just like what's that, like a show exclusive, event exclusive. So this is the Tamashii Nation 2018 event exclusive Bandai Tamashii Nations Robot Damashi or the Robot Spirits Psi MS version anime. Anime stands for Action, New Imagination, Memory, Emotion of the first generation. This is the Zaku 2 version anime, first touch 2500. Yeah. So of course it comes with this box right here, this shipper box. Right here, this one's actually not that expensive. I think I got it for like about 35 bucks, which is not bad. 35 bucks plus shipping, so end up being like 50 bucks or something like that. Anyway, yeah, 2018, made in China. This is basically just a recolor of the Zaku 2 version anime. It just has less accessories. Obviously, this is made in China, recommended for ages 15 and up. So yeah, I mean, like if you're getting like just a basic figure, they're really not that expensive. I mean, 35 bucks. That's like what, like Transformer figures nowadays are like 30 bucks or something like that. So yeah, a lot of people say like Robot Damashi figures are super expensive. Well, 35 bucks, man. Come on. If you're buying this in Japan, it's probably like 20 bucks or something like that. So yeah, it's not bad to be the best first for you. All right. So anyway, so it's very basic. Just the Zaku 2, Zaku Machine Gun, the He-Hawk, the collapse He-Hawk, the hand options, very nice. The little thing for the hand, the tree for the hand. Alternate headpiece right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. I guess I can do like unboxing and review. This should be very quick. So anyway, you guys already seen the articulation on the my Black Tri-Star review of the Zaku 2. If not, well, I'll do the articulation again. Now I do see some issues right here, right off the bat. These I don't know what's going on with these feet. Remember, if you watch my Zaku Manor video, I had like the same issue with this, these parts like acting all goofy and stuff. Really, it's not that terrible. I think it's just like positioned very poorly in the box. But anyway, yeah. Let me try to fix this one because it really looks stupid. Well, 35 bucks is better than how much I pay for the Zaku Manor, like over 100 bucks, 90 bucks, or something like that. I mean, it's essentially the same production value, production quality. You're just paying that extra money for shenanigans. Bullshit. So, yeah. Kind of sucks. They really should have just released these in North America instead of a Gundam Universe. You know, I think they could do it. Something like this could cost like 25 bucks or 30 bucks. Yeah, 30 bucks. Gundam Universe is 25 bucks. This thing is, if they sell this for 30 bucks, put them in all the retailers, like even like Walmart, Walgreens and stuff like that, I think they'll make a lot of money off these figures. And these are great figures, man. Once people get their hands on these, I don't think they'll be buying anything else. Assuming if they like the Gundam property. These are great. Okay, and I'm not like, you know, I'm not trying to like overhype a product because these are genuinely good stuff, man. Assuming if you guys believe my credibility, I'm not one of those people who like to hype products and stuff like that, like everybody else on YouTube. Oh my god, this is so good, so amazing. No, I give you an honest take on the product itself. So you have the alternate headpiece right here. Again, this is very simple. You just pull this off and then you can adjust the mono eye like that. Commander antenna goes on here. I mean, of course, there's always gonna be problems with figures and stuff like that, poor designs and stuff like that. For these for anime figure, I think they're pretty well designed. You can take out the commander antenna if you want to. I'm just gonna leave this guy as a grunt unit. Don't really want to mess with that. Typical Zaku Machine Gun. We've seen this the same thing from the Black TriStar figure. I think the magazine is removable. Yeah, it is. That's good. Doesn't come with any extra magazines. We got the handle right here. Just your typical Zaku Machine Gun. Obviously, you still have those, nut marks and stuff. On the mass-produced, like retail release, they always do a good job on, like, with the nub cleanup. I don't see any nubs on this guy. But on the exclusive, like the premium Bandai, the stuff that you had to pay more for, it's a mess. It's a freaking mess. I'll just be honest with you. There's like nubs everywhere. It looks disgusting. I seen a Zaku worker. My friends showed me some pictures of his Zaku worker in Japan. He was going to sell it to me, but I was like, oh my god, so many nubs. I don't know if I want to pull the trigger on it. Especially it's like over $100 with that many nubs. Yeah, it's got like nub marks everywhere. But this guy is really clean. Yeah. Again, anyway, this is basically just a recolor of the standard release. It has less accessories. I think the standard release has a bazooka. It has like the missile pods on the legs and some more stuff, I think. And that's like the regular release is over like $50 or something like that. So $15 more, you get like more accessory parts, which you probably don't need. Yeah. And again, you can hold the He-Hawk with a gripping hand. Again, the one thing I really don't like about the Robot Damashi line is the wrist joints. I always have to mention that because I had a pretty bad experience with them. I do like all these He-Hawks. They are multicolored. They didn't cheap out on coloring the weapons. We got the power cable that's colored. We got the tip of the He-Hawk that's colored, which is cool. Yeah, very nice. I like that. And they're not just all gray because, it's not like Gunpla where they're all gray. So anyway, I'm going to go over the wrist joints again. These things, I have to emphasize on these because I wish one day they would give us, either give us metal joints for these wrist joints or give us spares. So if they break, we have extras. But yeah, this one is not that bad. It looks like it's going in very easily. Not really a humongous issue here. Of course, I could jinx myself and this could just break and I'll just get really pissed off. But no, that's fine. Okay, so yeah, we went over the accessories. Let's go over the articulation. Again, we got the feet articulation right there. I really like this design for the feet joint. In fact, I really like the design of the entire leg system right here. You got the pivot, allows it to go forward like that independently. So this section, actually no, it looks like it's connected. Okay, so, well, it's connected, but you can articulate them individually. So that's good. So side's gonna go out like that. This is what I love about these Robot Damashi figures. A.N.I.M.E. A.N.I.M.E is different from your typical Robot Damashi. I still kind of don't want to buy like the regular Robot Damashi. I just want to stick with the Virgin Anime and maybe the cost signature, metal Robot Damashi cost signature. So look at that. That's very good articulation right there. You also got this very interesting design right here where this thing folds in on itself. So double joint the knee works perfectly fine. That's more than 90 degrees. That's fantastic. Better than the Zaku Marine type. And we have this section right here in the back that opens up. This is where you can plug in the action base, or if you get the regular version, there's a clip for the bazooka that goes in right there. Clip, not magazine. It's hold the bazooka. It's not the ammunition. Yeah, the magazines are steel magazines. Independent articulated front skirt. We got the waist articulation right here. I think you pull this up a little bit and you get a little bit better movement. Unfortunately, everything just clashes. So yeah, you're not really gonna get the full waist articulation. I think that's just like the design of the Zaku. The model kit has the same issue. Only the high grade Go, the high grade Gundam Origin kits, allows you to have better waist articulation movement. Yeah, that's a little bit unfortunate, even though this is an action figure. So, supposed to have superior articulation. We got the butterfly joint right here, very nice, and then we also have the swing out shoulder gimmick, which is nice. Unfortunately, with the way the Zaku shoulder armor is designed on the figure, you can't articulate the pauldron too much. It's not like the model kits, or you can pull the pauldron up, so that hinders the articulation for the left arm. Really, not much you can do. You cannot get it to go perpendicular in any way, shape, or form. You can't do it this way. You can't do it this way. So that really sucks. You can rotate that 360. You have the bicep swivel, double jointed elbow. I like that gimmick where this thing folds in right there. And then you have the obviously ball joint wrist with the hinge system. Head you can rotate. Let's see, you can pull it all the way up like that. That's really nice. These are the only Zaku with this gimmick. I don't think even the Master Grade has this gimmick. So yeah, I don't know. I have no experience with the mega size or the perfect grade, so I don't know. And yeah, once you pull the head up, you can rotate that. Very nice. And you already saw me adjust the mono eye. No opening cockpit whatsoever. I don't think that matters. I do like the fact that you can swing out the shoulder shield forward and backwards like that, and you can articulate that. If you mess around with this right arm, it actually can go perpendicular, unlike the pauldron. The pauldron, you cannot do anything just due to the way it's designed. It's connected like right there. You have this peg, and yeah, you can get creative with it. I guess the only way if you want to do this, you have to remove it. So that's kind of unfortunate. So yeah, the other arm has the same articulation point as this one. I really like this figure. I love it. I'm beginning to sound like a fanboy, and my credibility is probably go down the drain at this point by saying like this is probably the best Zaku I have in this 1/44 scale. Again, these guys are perfect 1/44 scale. I wish I've gotten into these guys a long time ago. They feel really solid. I don't. It's not like the high grade gold kit where it's like loosey goosey everywhere. This thing feels fantastic. What else? And it's got enough surface detail, so it's not like boring like a regular high grade Universal Century kit. And it's not hand grenade like the real grade. I have a lot of Zakus, and so far, I think I found the best one right here, the Robot Damashi version anime. Oh yes, and I'll definitely be getting more of these. Yeah. All right, so that's pretty much it for this review. Call it what you will, fanboy review, but I'm trying to be as honest as I can because this is my thing. So, all right. I hope you guys do find the information helpful. Like I said, this is very subjective to me. I really like this figure. You use this video to determine, what you like about these figures, the price point and stuff like that. Use that to for your to make your decision on whether if you want to get into these Robot Damashi figure or not. I know the price is a lot more expensive. With the same amount of money, you can probably get like 3 model kits. two or three, depends on where you get them. So yeah, either you can have more model kits, or you can have a very nice figure. I mean, this thing is this thing is like a solid as a rock. But anyway, objectively, this is still a good figure. Subjectively, I love it. So, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.